Hi, good afternoon, students. This is Raja. So we had like a video and the simulation is used for training for this chapter, but I received a few questions on this assignment, so I decided to record the cumulative chapter 4, a new video for it. So in these videos or the series of videos, I'm going to go over this assignment. So I'm going to start with, again, this is a chapter that we learn table, converting a range into a table data structure. So we're going to convert data to a table in the step 2. So this is data that we have, range, select all the records and insert. Yes, I'm going to insert, just going to make sure to show the menu into a table and click OK to include the heading. So now I do have a table design menu, as you can see, and this is by default, it's table 2. So we're going to call or name this inventory table. So if I reference to this table, I always use the inventory name in this case. Now, another thing what we're doing in this step is to select a new style. Going to the apply gold, table style, medium. So this is one of these. This is probably 26. This is medium 19. Just change the table style in this case. Okay. Also, once it's at a table, it's a one structure I can apply. I can use other tools such as in the table design, as you can see, there is multiple features and tools that we can use. Okay. Some of it is like, showing the total. Eventually we're going to do that. You can summarize and all that. But under the data tab here, you have also tools that we can apply on the data structure. So what I'm going to apply is removing duplicates. Okay, so first I select the table and then I click on the remove duplicates. It's going to ask to select all the field, yes, and identify 3 duplicate values found and removed. Okay, and we have 100 unique values remain in the table. Click OK. So that's step number 3. Also, a feature that you can do when it's a table structure, sort and filter. So we're going to sort the table by make a multiple level sort. So under the data tab, we have a sort tool. The level 1 is we're going to sort by make. Level 2, sort year from the smallest to largest, and the third sticker price, again from the smallest to the largest. 3-level sort. Okay. Repeat the field name on all pages. This is step 5. Okay, now what that means if I print this now, if I print this worksheet, it's going to print on multiple pages, obviously, because it's we have more records than what we can use on a one page. Therefore, we can, if I want to print this and I need, if my goal is to show the heading on every worksheet, then I need to click on the page layout and repeat the field name in all pages. So we're going to click on so print on click on print titles. Whoops. And then I have an option here that says rows to repeat at the top. Okay, so I'm going to choose row number 1. Okay, and click OK. So now if I print this, or if I show this in the page layout, you're gonna see that first heading or the field names appear on all the pages. Okay. Now continue. Change page breakouts so that each vehicle makes. So this is not. So since we sorted by make, so now I have all the makes like BMW here on the first 30 through 33, then Chevy, then I have Ford. So the question here is to insert a page breaks on the page. So separate page by using the make. Okay. But what this mean, and let me see, so that each vehicle makes, so all the BMWs will be printed on a one page. So that means I have to insert a page break here, right there between 33 and 34 and separate. Okay. So here you have insert page break. So as you can see, now when I inserted the, sorry, let me undo. I chose the wrong one. So I need to click on 34 because it's usually insert the break on the row before. So I selected 34, insert page break. As you can see now, it's right here. As you can see that line, it shows the break for all the BMW. I would do the same thing, then click on page 46 and then continue doing that for all the makes. And then here is Honda. I click on the Honda. And then last one, I have Toyota to separate all the Honda from in a one page. Then I added that, so it's now I have multiple pages. I will have, if I print or show print page layout page, then I can I'll end up having each make on a one page. Okay, so that step we got completed. Step 6. Now we're gonna add a footer with your name on the left side. I mean, so now I'm gonna let me just make sure on the file, I said on the page, okay, on the page, okay. So on this worksheet, looks like, okay, there are multiple ways, as I demonstrated in my previous videos. Probably you already watched the simulation also, how you can do this. I'm going to switch to the page layout. See now how it should be separated each make. Okay, so I'm gonna add a footer. So on the left side, just add your name. On the center, sheet name. So that's the sheet name here. And the right side, and the file name. There you go. Okay. Okay, let me see. Add the footer. Okay, okay. So we got. I can switch now back to the normal view. Okay, and that would be. I'm gonna just upload this video and then start a new one and start on step 8.